First, I like priming my skin with a Pure Glow Serum Primer for that poreless finish. I usually wait for about 30 seconds to a minute for the primer to be fully absorbed by my skin before I go on and apply my ultimate favorite everyday foundation, which are of course none other than the V&M Skin Treatment Serum Foundations. For most of us, well, concealer is just life. And since I intend to create a glam look, I'm aiming for a heavy coverage. To contour my face, I'm gonna go on and use these two products from Flormar and NARS and apply them slightly under my cheekbones, around my forehead, and along my jawline. I'm dusting a bit of the NARS bronzer to create the effect of a sun-kissed glow. Using the same products in a small angled brush, I contour the sides of my nose to enhance its structure and create beautiful angles for a natural but sculpted makeup look. Doing your eyebrows is the key to framing your entire look. I like to start filling the ends of my brows since the hand tends to be a little heavier at the start of makeup application and then slowly fill in towards the inner parts before blending it in. Then, using the sponge, I dab it in light motions to kind of neutralize the darkness of the eyebrow pencil and remove its excess pigments for a more natural finish. I then clean the brows using a fine brush and the concealer I used earlier to remove any harsh lines. For the lips, I want to create an illusion of fuller and plumpier lips, so the trick is to overline. I begin with outlining the lips and drawing just slightly over the natural line. It's easier to build gradually than apply too much. If we can contour our face, we can definitely do the same for the lips. Whenever I do this, I add a darker lip color underneath the center of my bottom lip and above the top of my lips to create a little dimension and make sure to blend. I like applying cream blushes to achieve a dewy, youthful finish. I use my hands to apply it on the apples of my cheeks so it melts with my fingers' natural warmth and then continue tapping it with a damp sponge. Of course, this look won't be complete without a dramatic nude eye makeup. I always start off by applying the lightest shade from my palette and create a smoky eye by blending the colors that would help me achieve the look that I'm aiming for. I wanted to go for a sultry summer bronze glow, so I played around with browns, oranges, and deep earth greens. Now, it's important to note that blending is your friend, and a good brush is important to get that blend. Don't forget to build the colors and apply the eyeshadows along the lower lash and smudge out with fingers for a smokier finish. Now, I don't want to miss any spots, so I also apply a black eyeliner to fill in the spaces between the roots of the eyelashes. I find my eye makeup to look more seamless when I do this trick. It just gives me a bolder winged eye, which I really like. Highlighters are my favorites, and I don't just use it for my face. Adding highlighter to certain parts of your body plays up your bone structure and can make you look thinner. I mean, most of us need that trick in our lives, right? Some of my favorite places to highlight are my collarbones and shoulders. You can even add a bit in the middle of your cleavage too. Now, I go back to my eyes. Using my liquid eyeliner with a pointed brush, I carefully make my winged eyeliner. I start by working from the inner corner of my eye outward. Then, I draw a thin diagonal line coming off of my eye's outer corner. The longer the line, the more dramatic the wing will be. And don't worry if you're new to this. Just keep on practicing until you get the hang of it. After I'm satisfied with my winged eye, I usually blend the eyeshadows in again so the eye makeup will all look cohesive and properly blended. My lashes are naturally straight, and I remember being frustrated about getting it to stay curled until I learned this trick. Before I curl my lashes using my lash curler, I heat it for about 3 seconds using my hair blower, and it really works. For this look, I used a waterproof mascara, and I start with the roots so there's more volume there than the ends of the lashes so it won't get weighed down. I apply the mascara with a wriggling motion so there won't be any clumps. Then, I do the same for the lower lashes. After applying, I brush off the excess clumps, so they all look natural with my eye makeup. Now, after everything is done, I top my makeup off with my favorite Stay Rosy Micro Shimmer, as it gives off a radiant luminous look, especially when light hits the skin. I put it all over my face and body. To create an even fuller dimension for the lips, I like topping it off with another lipstick with a creamier finish and a bit of gloss, and apply it all over my lips. Play with your favorite accessories and a statement top, loosen your curls, and you're ready to rock this look. Don't forget to be confident, wear that smile on your face, and just be yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from this video.